Integrating DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB into your application is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a new project. Once you have created your project, navigate to the DigitalOcean dashboard and click on the Create button. Then select Manage Databases from the drop-down menu. Next, choose MongoDB as your database engine and select the desired cluster size and configuration. DigitalOcean will handle the provisioning and maintenance of your MongoDB instance, allowing you to focus on developing your application. After your database is created, you will be provided with a connection string that you can use to connect to your MongoDB instance from your application. To connect to your MongoDB instance, you will need to install the MongoDB driver for your programming language of choice. For example, if you are using Node.js, you can install the MongoDB driver using npm by running the command npm install MongoDB. Once you have installed the driver, you can use the connection string provided by DigitalOcean to establish a connection to your MongoDB instance. It is also important to follow best practices for securing your MongoDB instance, such as enabling authentication and authorization, and configuring firewall rules to restrict access to your database. DigitalOcean provides a number of security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, and regular backups of your database. In addition to these security features, DigitalOcean also provides a number of tools and features to help you monitor and optimize the performance of your MongoDB instance. For example, you can use the DigitalOcean dashboard to view metrics on database performance, and to configure alerts and notifications to notify you of any issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB into your application and take advantage of the scalability, reliability, and security that it provides. This can help you to focus on developing your application rather than managing your database infrastructure.